Hello everyone. Today we are going to make the Big Mac Sloppy Joe. And the recipes that I am showing you all, I am going to use the Sloppy Joe sauce. And this is by Del Monte. You can use any brand. And I am using provolone cheese. And I have my ground beef. And next, I have my hamburger buns with the sesame seeds. And also, I am going to chop up some onions. And then I will be using pickles and garlic. And then I am going to add in some seasonings. First, I am going to cook up my ground beef. Now today, we're putting a wild twist on a 2 classic, and that is a Big Mac meets Sloppy Joe. This recipe is packed with all the ironic Big Mac flavors you love, but with a messy, hearty vibe of a Sloppy Joe. It's cheesy, tangy, and downright addictive. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. Stick around to see how easy it is to make this comfort food recipe at home. Finished cooking, and I added in the onions as well. Now I'm going to add some onion powder, and then I will be adding garlic salt. Next, I will be adding in a touch of minced garlic because I love garlic. Now, let's add in this Sloppy Joe sauce. And you also can use the manwich sauce as well. So I have tried the manwich sauce, but this time I decided to go ahead and use the Sloppy Joe sauce. Next, I am adding in the brown sugar bourbon seasoning instead of the regular brown sugar. So this was good as well. finished cooking, let's make the Big Mac sauce. Of course, I've gotten Thousand Island. Now this is my mixture. I mean, you can mix your Big Mac sauce however you want to mix it. But this is my, way of making the Big Mac sauce. Now, I've used the Thousand Island dressing. Now I'm going to use a little ketchup and mustard. And then I'm going to add vinegar and pickle relish, sweet pickle relish. That the Big Mac sauce is made, let's build this sandwich. The ultimate Big Mac Sloppy Joe sandwich. Just look at that melted cheese, that juicy beef, and the perfect balance of sauce and pickles. It's like biting into a Big Mac, but with all that comfort and messiness of a Sloppy Joe. Now every bite is loaded with flavor, and trust me, this will be a hit at your family dinner or party. You got to try this. It's a total game changer. Now see how messy it is? Y'all, just look at that juiciness, look at that messiness. Just look at it, y'all. And I tell you, it was so delicious. Go ahead, give this a try. And thank you all so much for watching. Please come back because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.